Recently, 3D printing technology has made significant progress in a wide range of fields, such as dental care. The breakthrough technology has transformed the manner in which dental treatment is executed, allowing for the most precise, effective, customized method of oral health care. In this clip, we'll look at the importance that 3D printing in contemporary dentistry and how it's revolutionizing the practice. 1. 3D printing is a method of dentistry. 3D printing, often known as additive manufacturing, is a method of making three-dimensional models from the digital files. In the field of dentistry, 3D printing technology is employed for the creation of dental equipment, implant, crowns, and various other solutions custom designed for patients. The process is different from traditional methods for making dental items, which could be labor-intensive and slow-going. 3D printing facilitates more efficient production, reduced prices, and higher quality. 2. Three-dimensional printing has many advantages in dental. The precision of 3D printing lets dentists create extremely precise and personalized dental services to their patients. Through 3D scanning, dentists can take detailed photographs of patients' gums and teeth. This allows to take precise measurements and ensure the perfect alignment. Efficiency. Traditional processes for manufacturing dental equipment may be slow and necessitate multiple visits to a dentist. Through the use of 3D printing technology, dental devices can be manufactured quickly, thus reducing duration and time for patients. Cost-effective. Though the initial expense of 3D printing might be costly, the long-term savings are substantial. In reducing costs for labor in terms of materials, waste, as well as production times, 3D printing can be the most cost-effective method to dental practices. The patient's comfort is assured. With 3D printing technology, dental equipment are able to be customized to fit your mouth exactly to ensure the most comfortable and safe installation. This degree of customization can help improve the satisfaction of patients and general treatment results. 3. Application of 3D printing to dental. Prosthodontics. 3D printer technology is used extensively in prosthodontics to design crowns, bridges, and dentures, as well as different dental prosthetics. Custom designed solutions give the appearance and feel, enhancing the appearance and overall functionality of the smile. Implantology. 3D printing has proved to be a major breakthrough within the realm of implants, which allows the development of custom dental implants as well as surgical guides. Utilizing 3D imaging technology, dentists can precisely determine and carry out implant placement, leading to more favorable results for patients. Orthodontics. In the field of orthodontics, 3D printing is utilized to make custom-designed clear aligners, retention devices, and various orthodontic equipment. These customized solutions assist to strengthen teeth as well as improve alignment of bite and improve general oral well-being. Endodontics. 3D printing technology can also be utilized in the field of endodontics for creating custom dental crowns, canal guides, as well as other instruments for the endodontic field. They aid dentists in conduct root canals, as well as other procedures that require greater effectiveness and accuracy. 4. Future trends in 3D printing in dentistry. 3. As the technology for 3D printing advances, it is possible to be seeing further advances within the realm of dental. New developments in 3D printing might be based on bioprinting of dental tissues, including gums, as well as bones, to improve regeneration treatments. Additionally, 3D printing could be utilized to produce higher quality dental material, including bioactive ceramics as well as nanovideos to improve treatments. Amidst constant study and advancement, 3D printing is poised to change the face of dentistry. It will provide the possibility of dental care that is personalized and highly effective. 3D printing technology has played a major function in modern dentistry. It is altering the manner in which dental treatment can be performed. Thanks to its efficiency, precision, and efficiency, 3D printing can provide a specific and reliable treatment for oral problems. With this revolutionary technology continuing to advance, it is likely that we will discover even greater developments in dentistry which will enhance treatment results and the satisfaction of patients.